Welcome to my study today. I'm going to talk about the present perfect tense with the adverbs just, already and yet. But I'm going to focus on how we actually say the tense, because quite often you can't hear it. We use it a lot in English and it's very, very important. There is a listen and repeat exercise for you to practice. So let's get started. Let's start with a basic situation. The door is closed. And how do we make the tense? Well, we use the present tense of the verb to have plus the past participle of the verb. You have opened the door. And we use the tense from the past, an action in the past, with a result in the present, from the past until now. So you have opened the door and it is open now. That's the result. We make the negative by inserting not between the have part of the verb and the past participle. He has not opened the door. And the result? The door is closed. We make the question form by reversing the subject and the verb to have, like this. You have you opened the door? And we very often use these three adverbs with this tense. It's very, very common. Just, already and yet. Just means a few moments ago. The plane has just taken off. It took off in the past and we can see the result in the present. But when I say this, I'll probably say the plane has just. The plane has just. So you almost can't hear the has part of the verb. The plane has just taken off. The team have just reached the sales target. The team have just. The team have just. It's almost as if I'm saying one word. The team have just reached the sales target. I have just found a message in a bottle. But I would shorten that to I've. I've just found a message in a bottle. I wonder what it says. Already means before you expected. But we have already paid the bill. And already can move in the sentence. We have paid the bill already. If I was saying it, but we have already paid. But we've already paid. You notice I contract we have to we've.
What's up? What's up?
I have told you the answer already. And if I was saying it, I've told you. I've told you the answer already. Yet means until now. This guy's got a tiger behind him. I don't think he knows. I haven't told him yet, but I think he'll soon find out. Have you worn your new pumps yet? Pumps is another word for dancing shoes. No, not yet. Now here is a listen and repeat exercise. I'll say the phrases exactly as I would if I was speaking in everyday English. Just to note, my accent is standard Southern British. I do not speak RP, rather like our new King Charles. Before we move on, could I ask you to subscribe and like below and ring that bell? Thanks. Exercise 1. Listen and repeat. Jack's just arrived after a long journey. Jack's just arrived after a long journey. The team hasn't won a competition yet. The team hasn't won a competition yet. Jane's already taken the dog for a walk. Jane's already taken the dog for a walk.
Miss Penny,
The kids have left the classroom. The kids have left the classroom. Sarah's just given her old coat to the charity shop. Sarah's just given her old coat to the charity shop. Have you seen a doctor yet? Have you seen a doctor yet? I've already phoned Harry. I've already phoned Harry.
I like that.
Have you just had your hair dyed green? Have you just had your hair dyed green? They've taken everything with them. They've taken everything with them. Next time we should look at those difficult words: bring, take, carry and fetch. So, thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe below and I'll see you next time. Bye!